So you're in North Ryde, New South Wales, Sydney. We're in geographical, just about the centre of Sydney. We're a private golf club with public access, so we're what we call a Group 2 golf club, and this is our new sports bar. The sports bar was an old auditorium, and it basically, the way the club has evolved and the uses of the facility were that it was used primarily for wakes, small functions. It was a heavily underutilised area of the club in comparison with the club area, and we just saw an opportunity to make the most out of our real estate and our footprint and expand to what's on offer at other local places that we were losing our members and patrons to, and so we came up with the sports bar concept. We're appealing in with a different offering encompassed with our cocktails and this monster screen. We're able to appeal to sports lovers and make ourselves more attractive as a venue to host people. Having a greater appeal to more classes of people will help our social membership. Then from the younger social people that get introduced to the club and realise that golf's pretty cool, they might like to have a crack at that as well. It just opens up that avenue, whereas previously they would have just driven past on Lane Cove Road and not realised the little gem that's hidden behind the wall. And in fact, it's actually surpassing the club lounge in its usability in the first 2 weeks of it being open. So we're finding that a lot more people are tending just to gravitate to this new area, look at the big screen, sit on the nice furniture, and yeah, it's kicking goals for us already. Definitely an investment for the future. The 3D rendering that James was able to encompass in relation to our design brief, I was able to present that to the board or share the vision and then approve the expenditure, and that's what you see here today. Because we were looking at different suppliers and what their different lead times were, but no, James was very accommodating, and recommend him again, and certainly use him when we look to upgrade our club furniture.